Hi, welcome to Litehawk. We're just going to talk about the REO drone, how to unfold it, where the batteries go, and maybe go over some charging sequences as well. So the drone, when you see it in the box, is folded, and to unfold it properly, just make sure to fold the front out first and then the rear. Now some of you may be asking yourself, how do you know what the front and the rear is? One of the things we did at Litehawk going all the way back to 2012 is to give a visual reference to what the front and the back of the drone would be, is we color code it. So all of our drones, very similar to a car you'd see or a motorcycle on the road, have white blades and white lights in the front, and at the back have red blades and red lights. So very easy to distinguish what is the front, what is the back. And this becomes very handy when you're in that critical moment when flying where maybe you're getting too close to a tree or a building and you're trying to get out of there quickly and panic may set in. So just keep in mind, front of the drone is always white and the back is always red in any Litehawk product. The other tip to tell the front from the back is at the bottom here we have the camera, which is a front facing camera on this model. So a couple little tips as well. When you fold it out, there are you want to make sure that you hear a click, or make sure that you actually get it in the spot. We have had some customers who may push, but you want to make sure it's locked into place before you get out and take a flight. So that's what we got for this time. Till next time, happy flying, and check us out on the other Litehawk videos.